The age of people hospitalized by COVID-19 continues to trend younger. The average age of hospitalized patients is now only 37. State health officials say the reason is variants of the virus are impacting younger ages more, and that is why there's increased focus to get more teens vaccinated. In each of the last 2 weeks, there were more than 1,000 COVID-19 cases among pre-kindergarten through 12th grade students. Sonia Goins has more on the push to get more teens to roll up their sleeves.
There's just a lot of COVID fatigue out there where no one really wants to deal with this anymore.
As more and more people get vaccinated, the focus has shifted to teenagers. Doctors say it's crucial to identify teen infections to try to slow the spread of COVID-19, especially with big events like proms and graduations coming up.
You have a lot of these youth out doing activities like proms, like sporting events, like getting together outside of school now that the weather's nicer. And again, with the COVID fatigue, they really aren't maybe adhering to some of the recommendations about masking when they're with large groups of people.
Only the Pfizer vaccine is approved for teenagers 16 and 17 years old. The Moderna and Johnson Johnson vaccines are approved for 18 and up.
I think soon we'll be able to get a lot more kids vaccinated down to 12. We're pretty close with both Pfizer and Moderna getting down to 12.
State healthcare officials are also worried about infections spiking after the protest in Brooklyn Center following the fatal shooting of Dante Wright on April 11th.
So far, we've detected 22 COVID-19 cases with a link to the demonstrations, including 11 each among law enforcement officers and demonstrators.
18-year-old Osseo Love is a senior at Champlain Park High School and voiced her opinion during the protest in Brooklyn Center. She wore 2 masks to be safe, but still plans on rolling up her sleeves soon to get vaccinated.
I think it's important because if people want a sense of normalcy, we have to get vaccinated to start heading back towards normal.
Adults and teenagers can get the Pfizer vaccine at the Hennepin Healthcare clinic in Brooklyn Park. Sonia Goins, CCX News.
The Mall of America is hosting a special vaccination drive for teens ages 16 and 17 through this weekend. To get the vaccine, you must have an appointment. Walk-ins are not accepted.
Find more local news stories at ccxmedia.org and follow us on social media.